Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. Now today I am talking about my new series, and my new series is entitled Cleaning My Patio and Gazebo. Now, the winds here in Houston get really high and rough sometimes with storms, and it literally picked my gazebo up and threw it on top of the house and banged it and banged it and dragged it and banged it and dragged it and banged it some more. And then it tore up the whole patio area. Trash came from everywhere and was on the patio. Well, we're just now getting into the phase of cleaning it. So I'm cleaning it in zones or steps, you might say. My goal is to get the gazebo put back together, the patio cleaned off, and everything in its rightful place. So we're doing it step by step. So I thought I would take you along with us as we did this journey. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. So why don't you follow us along on our journey of getting our patio in the correct order. Hope to see you there.